Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about a new competition launched by my government. Suggest a tagline contest for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana scheme. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana introduced in 2016 to ensure crop protection for farmers' entire cropping cycle from pre-sowing to
post-harvest activities. Age to enroll for the scheme at the earliest to avail the coverage against preventing sowing due to any unforeseen calamity. So this is an policy launched in 2016 by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, and for more information they have given a PDF link. So click this PDF link to more information about the scheme. You can also, because if you need to create a tagline, first you must know about the scheme, then only you can understand the subject and how to create a tagline. So okay friends, for further information you can also check. So participant is, there are certain terms and conditions and evaluation, and you can also know the evaluation criteria. So you can click here to see the detailed guidelines, and the best cash prize receives, the best tagline receives a cash prize of 15,000. So the last date of submission is 19th October, sharp 19th October at some 5 p.m. around 5 p.m. in Indian time only. So at around 5 p.m. So participate friends, and let us see the terms and conditions given by the my government regarding this tagline contest. Friends, here they have given the terms and conditions for the contest Pradhan Mantri for the tagline contest. So the contest is open to Indian nationals only. So the people with Indian citizens can participate in this. So the winning entry of the contest will be intellectual property. So this patent, you can know more information, you can read and more information. So the employees are not allowed. So the judges or jury members who are the deciders in this tagline contest, they should not participate. So the participant should bind to all these terms and conditions mentioned here. You have to register first. So please friends, you should register. The tagline should be original. The entry should not infringe any intellectual property right of any third party. So the tagline must be yours, and the originality, you should hold the originality of the tagline. It should not be copyrighted tagline, and the entries must be made by closing date. So you should the entry before the closing date. The results will be announced in the My Government blog page, and I will here the link. So the result of this the tentative date of declaration, the result for the contest is 9th October. Declare the result contest in 9th October, but maybe it may be wrong because it ends, the contest is open up to 19th October. So they may be wrong because it may be 29th or 19th. So I will verify and tell. Here's wrong information is given, so don't believe this. So technical parameters, tagline entries must be in English or Hindi, and it should be, it is preferable when it is 3 to 5 words, but not more than 7 to 8 words at maximum. So make it simple and within 3 or 4 words. You can also click in submit your text box or tagline, or maybe also as a PDF, and in the comments box you have to mention the place, division and state, place and division. Without that, the tagline will be considered disqualified. So whether the language, whether the criteria, so tagline, whether the number of words in tagline is within the word limit. First they will check whether the tagline is in the word limit and the language is used or Hindi or English. Next criteria is the tagline should be original. It should not be any copyrighted content. So it should not contain any provocative or inappropriate content. So next, it should depict the concept of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana scheme. So the tagline should depict that scheme's total vision. So the tagline should be user friendly for the scheme. Whether the tagline can stand of test of time, because it should not be outdated or irrelevant in near the future. So it should be a standard tagline which can be used in any circumstances of any time by the authority. So all taglines, all the entries of PMV would be assessed for awards by screening by the committee. The screening committee will make the screen, and after screening, the selection committee for final evaluation. So there are many decisions taken by the selection committee in the basis of the criteria, and any legal proceedings arising so shall be subject to local issue. There are many selection processes. So terms and conditions, evaluation process, and the selection criteria. Both these three you can see here, and I will give the PDF link in the description.